I never ask you where you go. After I leave you in the mornings, we go our different ways to separate situations. It's not that easy anymore. Guayakwa dizzy win is such a lonely word. Everyone is so untrue. Do you really think that? Well, not you, baby. Ah. Hey, Boozhoo! Welcome back to Boozhoo, not a Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am here today with the lovely and talented Natasha. Make it down, Boozhoo, baby. Boozhoo, everyone! How you doing? Welcome back to the show! And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Guayakwa dizzy win. Honesty. That's right. And it's one of our 7 grandfather teachings. This week we're just going through all the different grandfather teachings and, So, Guayakwa dizzy win. It's a very sacred, very important value. You must always be honest. Guayakwa dizzy win. I don't know. You got anything you want to add to this? Let's see. Yeah, just always be honest, kids. I don't know. I guess I have nothing profound to say. All right. Well, hey. Then on that note, let me say thank you for watching. Boozhoo, not a Boozhoo. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a Boozhoo. I am Natasha. I am not a Boozhoo. And I will see you again. Higawaba min. Minawa. Oh. All right, pretty good. Yeah.